Today I'm really excited to share with you one of my favorite two salads. I know, but here's the thing. This salad eats like a main. It is not the sad, pathetic looking, little lettuce with like dressing on the side. Nothing like that at all. This salad has got leafy greens, yes, but it's also got walnuts. It's got dried figs. It's got a balsamic reduction. And it's got fried halloumi or grilled halloumi cheese. Now, let me just fire this up and get this going. Here's the thing. When it comes to halloumi cheese on its own, it is boring and miserable. There is really nothing to it. It's a semi-soft cheese from Cyprus. It's usually made with a mix of goat and sheep's milk. In this case, don't even go there on how I brought this in. But anyway, we don't talk about that. The cheese that I'm using today is halloumi, but it's also being infused with herb, with mint, and it is absolutely phenomenal. Now, this recipe here I got from a restaurant in Messinier in Pilo called Aitos. Pilo is about an hour west of Kalamata, and let me tell you something. This is their house salad, and it is like mind-blowingly good. So to start us off, this thing is heating up. I'm going to take my halloumi, and I'm just going to place it on a dry griddle, and you hear that noise? That's exactly what I want. So I'm going to leave that there. Let that go. This cheese is a very dense cheese. It's got a very high melting point. So this is one of these cheeses that you can actually grill. No problem at all. It's not going to get all melted on you and become all gross and things like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I've got my bowl here. I'm going to present and do this all in one bowl. So for this, all I'm going to do is use one of these pre-bought, spring mix kind of deals. They're fantastic. They're pre-washed. They're cut up. You got a variety of stuff. And this is what they actually use there in Greece as well. So I'm just going to place this nice and loosely around here. So this is a salad that it eats like a main because this cheese is so substantial, you could actually replace meat. And as a carnivore, trust me when I tell you, you can. So that's my greens there. There's nothing to this. Believe me, it is unbelievably good. The next thing is some walnuts I'm going to chop. And for this, I'm going to do about a quarter cup, third of a cup, just enough that I want to get some texture in there. And what I'm also going to do is I'm not going to put them in whole. Come on, you don't want to be chewing these enormous pieces of walnut in your salad. So just nice and easy, just cut them down. So this is just a matter of putting things together. That's all it is. So I'm just going to take this and sprinkle it all around, just like that. So the salad you're actually going to mix when you serve. You're not going to just turn this into this soggy mess. That's not what we want. Just let that do its thing there. Nothing to this. I'm going to take some figs. And I got these again from Greece. And you're going to do, 5, 6, 7, 8 figs. And what you're going to do is you're just going to cut them up into smaller pieces. You want to feel a little chew. You want to feel a little bit of sweetness in the background, but you don't want to be chewing this enormous, chewing this whole fig. So now we have our figs cut up. Again, same deal. Just disperse them throughout our salad, just like that. So no matter where you go, from whatever side you attack this on, you're still going to get other than the leaf, you're going to get the fig, you're going to get the walnut. So that's coming along really nice there. This halloumi is doing its thing. Awesome. That's perfect there. Very nice. So, you can take this to as far as you like. This, I think, I am good with this. So I'm going to put one here on top in the middle. And let me see this one here. Yeah. And this one like that. Perfect. So I'm going to get rid of this. Leave that there for now. And now it's time to work on our dressing. For our dressing, it's very simply a balsamic reduction. So for this is heating up nicely. I'm going to take about 1/3 of a cup of really nice balsamic vinegar. Now, I'm going to tell you something that a few people or very few people know about, and that is very simply that my friends, my paisans, the Italians from Modena, yes, they have excellent balsamic vinegars. But let me tell you, Greece, in the Kalamata region, have excellent, and I mean really excellent, balsamic vinegars. Unbelievable balsamic vinegars. So, just letting you know that. I'm also going to take, like maybe a tablespoon of honey is going to go into this, just like that. Just give this a little stir, and this is going to be the most freaking amazing, absolutely delicious dressing. And this is a dressing that you don't just drown this in, you drizzle this. We're going to drizzle this around. You want the absolute best, let me just bring that down. You want the absolute best Greek extra virgin olive oil you can find, and you're going to drizzle it around just like that. Again, we're not going to be drowning this thing. We're not going to be adding, glugs and glugs and glugs of olive oil. You're looking for this at maybe 1/4 cup of olive oil, max. That's it. You want like a little bit of flavor, and because this olive oil isn't getting cooked, it's not going to alter the flavor, and this is where, quality counts. All right, now that my honey balsamic glaze is done, just going to take this and very slowly just drizzle it around. Oh my God, the smell of that is absolutely fantastic. This is literally one of my absolute favorite salads. And don't forget, and don't be shy, get this around on top of the halloumi as well. And that's it. That's all she wrote. That's my house salad from Aitos restaurant. This may be a shameless plug, but they are fantastic. It's an excellent restaurant. The people are fantastic. The owners are amazing. The food is outstanding. And it's in a beautiful spot. You're going to eat there. You're going to be close to the water. You're going to be like enjoying Pilo. It's fantastic. If you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Keep up with all my recipes. For this recipe, by the way, as well, check me out online at kensgreektable.com for this one and many others. And until next time, stay safe, be careful, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.